with Christian Scharun from Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. He's talking about breaking the wall of greenhouse gas emissions. Big topic, thank you.
Good evening. My name is Christian Scharun and I'm scientist at the Institute of Meteorology and Climate Research here at KIT. Greenhouse gases, the global warming, climate change. These are big topics of our time. Over 90% of greenhouse gas emissions are from anthropogenic sources, like this factory for fossil fuel production. Every country is obligated to report its annual amount of greenhouse gas emissions to the United Nations. Important political decisions are made on the basis of these data. But the problem is that these are just estimations. Every country uses different methods, and together with high bureaucratic hurdles, that will lead to inconsistent data. Some countries even use these inconsistencies to prettify their statistics. For these reasons, it is very important that we close the gap between estimated and the real emissions. I developed a completely new method to quantify greenhouse gas emissions. It consists of three main parts. The first one is satellite measurement data. While surrounding our Earth, satellites scan our atmosphere and determine the amount of greenhouse gases in it. The second part are information about locations of factories, megacities, and other emission hotspots. With a complex algorithm, I can assign the satellite measurement data on the locations of these hotspots. Last but not least, we develop and use a computer model to get a better understanding of how greenhouse gases are distributed on the globe. The result is a high-resolution data set of greenhouse gas emissions, as you can see it on the lower part of the slide. This method makes it possible that the national reports of the countries can be controlled by independent international organizations in the future. This work will help us to solve one of the most important problems of our time, and my generation in particular. And together we can break down the wall of greenhouse gas emissions. Thank you very much. I'm curious to hear your questions.
Yes.